In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a phone number in Twilio. If you are setting up a business line, testing an app, or just want more communication flexibility, this process is super quick. And before you get started, make sure to like this video if it helps. It really supports the channel. First, log into your Twilio account and head to the main console dashboard. If you are new to Twilio, just take a minute to complete the sign up and verification steps. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the phone number section on the left side of the screen. Select it, then choose the option to buy a number. This will open Twilio's number search tool. Here's where you customize what you need. Start by choosing the country for your number. Then select the capabilities you want, such as voice, SMS, or MMS. You can also refine your search even further with options like area code or number type depending on your requirements. After selecting your preferences, search to see all the available numbers that match what you are looking for. When you find the perfect one, click Buy. Twilio may show a prompt with emergency calling terms depending on the number you choose. Read those carefully, then continue. Confirm your purchase and Twilio will charge the associated monthly fee right away. As soon as the purchase is complete, your new number will automatically show up under active numbers in the phone numbers section. From there, you can set up everything: call routing, SMS configuration, webhook endpoints, and start using the number instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to buy a number in Twilio quickly and confidently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Twilio and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.